Hello everyone, this is Emmanuel Manik. I am going to share an experience of learning with induction heater where the indicators are imprinted in Japanese. So this is IRIS OHYMA, and you can see that there are indicators. At first you have to on this induction heater by pressing this switch for 2 seconds, then it will be started, and after starting it will indicate a sign of starting like this. Then this one indicates the heating, and the lower portion indicates on off. The middle portion indicates fried or frying, and the lower portion indicates on off, and this is indicates stewing, that means steaming, and the lower portion indicates on off. And there are timing. This is the timer, and this is the increasing of temperature. Now I am going to boil egg by putting this egg in this here. Let's start. So we have taken the eggs in here, and now we are going to choose the heating part. Sorry, it has been gone to the now. So you can see that it is on again. Now we are going to choose the heating option, heating, and you can increase the temperature by pressing this. I am going to choose 190 degrees Celsius temperature, and you can also set the timer, but I am not going to use the timer. That's all. In this way you can heat or boil egg using this IRIS OHYMA induction heater. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial.